How to enable face grouping in Google Photos. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable face grouping in Google Photos. While the process itself is quite simple and easy, what you want to do is first you want to open up your Google Photos. Simply open up your Google Photos, and next thing what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon once you're logged into the profile or the account that you want to enable face grouping on. So you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you should get an interface like this. Down below you can see photo settings, the second last option. Simply find out the option photo settings or Google Photo settings and tap on it. Under here, now what you want to do is you want to select the option preferences that you can see on the screen. Simply tap on preferences and you can see group similar faces. You want to simply tap on it, and here you can see face groups. See photos of your favorite people grouped by similar faces. Simply toggle this on, and once you do so, Google will scan for the pictures, and pictures with similar persons similar person faces, it'll group it together. So this way you can enable face grouping in Google Photos. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.